Hello and welcome to the Educational Misra. I am Harsh Misra. Today we will discuss some most important questions which can be asked from the Union Budget and the Economic Survey of 2020. Now questions are going to be appeared on your screen, so get ready for the questions. But if you have not subscribed the channel till now, you can subscribe the channel. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Now, first question: who presents the Union Budget of India? Who presents the Union Budget of India? ये बताइए. Who presents the Union Budget of India in the Parliament? तो इसका right answer होगा Union Finance Minister of the India. Union Finance Minister of the India presents the Union Finance Minister of India presents the budget. Now, next question which is going to be appeared on your screen is: on which date the Union Budget of India comes into the effect? It is fourth option and 1st April. On 1st April, the Union Budget of India comes into the effect. Now, third question: what is the article of the Constitution of India under which Union Budget of India also referred to as the annual financial statement? तो कौन सा ऐसा आर्टिकल है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में जिसके अंदर फाइनेंशियल बजट जो है यूनियन बजट के प्रोविजंस हैं, तो वो है आर्टिकल नंबर 112 जिसके अंदर फाइनेंशियल बजट जो है यूनियन बजट के प्रोविजंस हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज द परसेंटेज ऑफ नॉमिनल ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट ग्रोथ रेट फॉर 2021 cited in the union budget 2020? That is 12%. Sorry, 10%. That is 10%. Its answer is 10%. Right answer. Now, next question: what is the name of Speaker of Lok Sabha to whom Indian Union Budget for 2020-21 was addressed by the Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman? That is Om Birla. Who is the Speaker of the Lok Sabha? Om Birla. And this Nirmala Sitharaman is the first full-time woman Financial Minister of India, and she given about 159 minutes presented 159 minutes in Lok Sabha, the Union Budget. She is first and only one till now who is the full-time woman finance minister of India. Now, next question: what are the overarching theme of 90th Union Budget for 2020-21? That is the good governance and the financial sector. Good governance and the financial sector is overarching theme, and main theme is the ease of living and boost incomes. Ease of living, you can say. Which union ministry has received the highest monetary allocation from the government as per the Union Budget 2020 and 21? In this question, it is asked that which Ministry of Government has got the highest allocation from the Union Budget. That is the Ministry of Defense. Ministry of Defense has granted highest allocation from the Union Budget. Now, how many points action plan was listed with a goal of doubling farmers' income by 2022 under the Agriculture, Irrigation and Rural Development? How many point action plan are there? There are 16 point action plan are there. New policy for doubling the income of the farmers. Now, next question: the scheme One Product One District scheme is related to which kind of the product? That is horticulture product. Horticulture. One product one district. That is horticulture product. Which examination has been proposed for the students of Asian and African countries to study in India? That is Indosat. Yes, second. It is second option. In which Asian and African students will come together to study in India. To how much percent the limit for the foreign portfolio investment FPI in the outstanding stock of corporate bonds has been increased? That answer is 15% portfolio investment have been increased in the corporate bonds. Which finance minister of India has presented the maximum number of budgets so far? अब तक किस finance minister ने maximum number of the budgets have been presented? That is Morarji Desai. He was the first financial minister of the India. Morarji Desai. He has presented the maximum number of financial budget, union budget in the Parliament of India. Maximum times. The year 2019 was observed as with Jubilee year of the bank nationalization. Bank nationalization Jubilee in 2019. Then it was the Golden Jubilee year. Golden Jubilee year. Bank nationalization. Golden Jubilee year. Now, next question. Which bank is only Indian bank listed in the global top 100 list? That is SBI. SBI. The Economic Survey 2019-20 suggested the model of creation of jobs as the Chinese model. India is going to create the jobs like Chinese. It is the very good model for the youth, skilled youth. Now, which Bollywood movie was referred to show Indian entrepreneurship in the Economic Survey 2019-20? Tell me the answer. That is the Band Baja and Bharat. It is based on the entrepreneurship and mentioned in the Economic Survey of India. Which of the following state is among the front runners of SDG Sustainable Development Goals India Index 2019? First of all, what is sustainable development? The development which without damaging the environment. The development without damaging surrounding environment is known as the sustainable development. Sustainable development. Sustainable development also mean keeping natural things, nature, keeping nature safe for our future children's. Now, it's a Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is first in the top in the global sustainable development rank. What is the area of operation of Bodo? Bodo is a tribal. Bodo is a tribal community which is generally found in the Assam. So answer is Assam. Assam. Now, which of the following countries is not among the top 5 trading partners of India in 2019-20? That is USA, China, Saudi Arabia, Russia, and Hong Kong. That is Russia. Russia is not in the top 5 trading partners of India. What is the portion of India in emerging green bond market? That is position of India. That is second position. Now, over, and thank you for watching this video, and sorry for not coming live due to the network issue. Enjoy yourself, be healthy, and keep hard working for exams. Good luck.